Installing new casement windows in your Glendale home is an excellent way to enhance energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and improve ventilation. Whether you are upgrading old windows or installing them in a new construction project, understanding the process can help ensure a smooth experience. This article outlines what homeowners can expect before, during, and after casement window installation. Before installation. Preparation and planning. Before the actual installation begins, proper planning and preparation take place to ensure everything goes smoothly. Here are some key steps. Consultation and measurement. A professional window installer will visit your home to assess your needs, discuss style options, and take precise measurements. This step ensures that the new casement windows will fit perfectly and function properly. Choosing the right casement windows. Casement windows come in a variety of materials, including vinyl, wood, aluminum, and fiberglass. You'll also have options for different glass types, including double or triple pane glass for energy efficiency. Consider factors like Glendale's climate, insulation needs, and design preferences when selecting your windows. Scheduling the installation. Once the windows are ordered and delivered, you will schedule an installation date with your contractor. Depending on the number of windows being installed, the process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Preparing your home. Before the installers arrive, it's helpful to prepare your home by doing the following. Remove curtains, blinds, or any window treatments. Move furniture away from windows to create a clear workspace. Provide access to power outlets if needed. Keep pets and children away from the installation area for safety reasons. During installation. What happens step by step? On installation day, professional contractors will efficiently remove old windows and install your new casement windows. Here's what to expect. Removing old windows. If you are replacing existing windows, the installers will carefully remove them while minimizing dust and debris. Proper disposal of old materials is typically included in the service. Inspecting and preparing the opening. Before installing the new window, the contractor will inspect the window opening for any structural issues or water damage. If necessary, they may repair or reinforce the frame to ensure a secure fit. Installing the new casement windows. Once the opening is prepared, the new casement window is carefully positioned, leveled, and secured into place. Installers will check for a tight seal to prevent air leaks and ensure energy efficiency. Sealing and insulating. After securing the window, the installers will apply weatherproof sealants and insulation around the frame to prevent drafts, leaks, and heat loss. This step is crucial for maximizing energy efficiency. Adding finishing touches. The final steps include installing trim, cleaning up the work area, and testing the windows to ensure they open and close smoothly. The installers will also check that the locking mechanisms and handles function properly. After installation, final inspection and care tips. once your new casement windows are installed, there are a few things you should do to maintain them and ensure they last for years to come. Final inspection. Walk through the installation with your contractor and inspect the work. Make sure there are no gaps, drafts, or issues with functionality. If anything seems off, address it with the installers before they leave. Cleaning up. Most professional window installers will clean up after themselves, including removing debris and wiping down the new windows. However, you may need to do some minor dusting or vacuuming around the installation area. Learning how to operate your new windows. Casement windows operate with a crank mechanism, and some models have built-in screens. The installer will provide guidance on how to open, close, and maintain your new windows. Maintenance tip: to keep your casement windows in top shape. Regularly clean the glass and frame with mild soap and water. Check and lubricate the hinges and crank mechanism occasionally. Inspect the weather stripping and seals for wear and tear. Ensure the locks and latches are working correctly. Enjoying your new windows. With your new casement windows installed, you can enjoy better ventilation, increased energy efficiency, and an enhanced appearance for your home. You should notice improved insulation and lower energy bills, especially during Glendale's hot summers and cooler winters. Conclusion: casement window installation in Glendale is a straightforward process when handled by professionals. By knowing what to expect before, during, and after installation, you can make the experience smooth and stress-free. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetics, energy efficiency, or functionality, new casement windows are a great investment in your home's comfort and value.